Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today's February 24th update previews that are optional actually push, once again, more secure boot certificates. So if you don't install it, it doesn't matter because you'll have them in March. Remember, the certificates that we have now are good until June. In June, they expire. This is where you hopefully will get the new certificates before June. So if you don't want to install the updates today, it's okay. It will be installed with the March Patch Tuesday updates. Now, more certificates are probably going to be pushed also in March. So for those of you that have seen my video on how to see if you have the new certificates installed or not using the PowerShell command, today's update, Microsoft does say it pushes the certificates. So in the update today, after today's update, you might see that another update might be pushed, which is Secure Boot Allowed Key Exchange Key, the KEK update. So that would also show up within the next few hours or days. So more and more of these certificates are being pushed on what Microsoft calls compatible machines. So you'll see as time goes by during the next few days or weeks, if you install the update, that you might have seen this new update for the key exchange. And of course, Patch Tuesday updates for March, if you don't install anything today, will have these keys. Plus, I suspect that each update, Patch Tuesday and the other preview updates in the future of March, April, and May, will continue pushing out these new Secure Boot certificates for everyone. So you can check it out with the video that I mentioned in my channel that I posted last week about finding if, yes or no, you've got the new security keys installed on your PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.